Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Easter decorate with me, and I've popped on my cute Easter slippers that I picked up in Target last year, and if I can find them available this year I will link them below. And I hope you enjoy this video, but I'm just going to do a quick clean and decorate of the kitchen. But first off is popping my hair up. It is a hot day, although I do have the air conditioning on, and you may hear it in this voiceover, but this is the only cool place for me to do it. And I have center stage Duke. He always loves being in my videos, and little Kobe will be in the video as well, as he's super hot and he's just chilling out in the kitchen. But I'm just going to do a tidy up and make things all nice and beautiful for Easter. Easter, it is actually autumn in Australia, so the flower arrangement I've got, I made sure I picked up with some orange blooms because of autumn, so it's not too springy because it is autumn here in Australia, although it is feeling like a very hot summer at the moment because we are in the high 30s. But enough chatting from me, and I may pop in and out of this video. I've had some people request that they do like chatting, but I find it a little bit hard because I've still yet to get my microphone. So if the voiceover is a little bit funny, I do apologize. But enough chatting from me. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll pop in again soon.
Too much time by myself, so many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking is the best.
And before I start decorating, I'm just going to give everything a good wipe over with the Method Cucumber All-Purpose Spray. I love the smell of this one. It actually reminds me of Midori. If it reminds you of Midori, comment below and let me know. But I'm just giving everything a good clean. There's a little bit of wheat bix left over from the kids this morning.
I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if
and I'm just respraying the kitchen bench with the spray and letting it sit for a bit because the wheat bix is a little bit hardened. But I did see the gorgeous Ellis from Ellis Sarah Smith's page, and she's a UK mum, and she uses this scraper to remove the wheat bix. So I might invest in one of those. Hopefully we do have them here in Australia. And if you aren't already following Ellis, but I believe a fair few of you came over from her account the other day, but if you're not, I will definitely link her below. She is a fabulous, gorgeous support, and she has amazing cleaning videos, so I'll definitely link her below.
I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was.
All the Easter decorations that I am using this year, I purchased last year and the year before. The mugs I purchased from TK Maxx, and they are the Ray Dunn mugs. And I have used all my strength this year not to go and buy more. I was in TK Maxx the other day, and I'm still dreaming of what is on the shelves, but I held off and I didn't buy anything. So if you are local to a TK Maxx, head on in, and if you're in America, which is TJ Maxx. But I did buy a candle. I actually bought a few, and the candle that I use in this video I bought bought from TK Maxx, and the little green bunnies that you will see around are from Woolworths a couple of years ago, and the little timber bunny I purchased from Target and King Kong, which is a dollar store. And this little jar, I believe I picked it up from the reject shop a few years ago, and I'm just filling it with my absolute favorite Easter eggs, mini eggs. Comment below if they are your favorite, and I might have a little secret which I'm going to share with you. I'm editing this video, and let's just say I may have eaten half of these props. I might have to hide them from the kids as well, but these will not last until Easter, so I do definitely need to stock up. But I'm just popping that up on the shelf, and it looks pretty while it's there, but yes, I don't think this will last.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laughter we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale, dreaming about summer nights with you.
And can you spot the tumbleweed of cat fur down near the kickboard of the kitchen? And you'll also see some marks on my kickboard. We painted these quickly. I need to get new ones. It's not dirt, it's just been where the paint has scuffed, and it drives me insane, but it will have to do until we get new kickboards.
No love on a holiday, no love on a holiday.
And whenever I get fresh flowers, either from the garden or they don't come with one of those little sachets, I always just pop in a teaspoon of sugar, and that just keeps them, I stir it around, and that just keeps them fresh for that little bit longer. So that's just a little tip for you guys if you don't have one of those little sachets when you get your bouquets.
Push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for the day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday, yeah.
Coffee mugs on this side, which is where I make our tea. My mum purchased these, I believe, from Bed Bath & Table last year, and they're really cute, so you might want to go and check Bed Bath & Table out. And same with this tea towel, I picked it up in Bed Bath & Table last year as well. and I'm just using the Method Heavy Duty degreaser. I love this for my range hood, although I do wipe it over every evening as well, but we had takeaway last night, so I didn't use it, so it's a little bit dusty, so I thought I'd give it a clean while I'm over here, and I did give the top of the oven a clean. I have noticed that a lot of people pop their cast iron tops into the dishwasher. I tried doing this in my dishwasher, but they're too long, so if you have any other way of cleaning the cast iron trays for the top of my oven, I would love for you to comment below and let me know.
But you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you.
As much as I love my water fridge, because that's basically all my kids drink is they fill up their waters, they are super messy. I'm not sure if anybody else who has one, they find them messy too, but when the kids fill them up, they tend to spill water everywhere, or if they've got the ice, so they kind of drive me insane a little bit, but I do love it, and the kids do love drinking the water, so I really shouldn't be complaining. Just worked out that my gas lighter has just run out, so lucky I had another lighter in the drawer. I was meant to replace that on the weekend, but I love the long lighter. That way you're not really bending over the candle and you can't get burnt, so I'll need to pop one of those on my list as well. And a sneak peek into my junk drawer. Who's got one?
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold.
And I'm just using the Fairy washing up liquid to clean the sink. Now this sink, I love to hate it. I love a ginormous sink to do the dishes in, but I dream of a farmhouse sink, and Chris doesn't want to change this around, as we've renovated this only a few years ago. And if you want to find out more about my kitchen reno, head on over to my Instagram account and you can read about it. But I have been dreaming of a farmhouse sink in here, and so that's our battle at the moment. But so to keep it nice and clean, I give it a nice clean with the fairy washing up liquid and a scrubbing brush. I'm just finishing the clean with my Vielda spray mop, which I have filled up with the Method Almond Cleaner, and I didn't add any water. I've just popped a little bit in there just to do a quick little spot mop of the kitchen floor. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to do so. I'm going to have a lot more cleaning videos up on my channel and cooking, and I'm planning on vlogging our Uluru trip where we are going away in our caravan. So if you aren't from Australia, or you are and haven't been to Uluru and you would like to see that, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. And if you are an overseas follower, we will be touring in our caravan, and that may be interesting for you if you want to see some of Australia's outback. But anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!